Have you ever bought a product and felt completely lost? Maybe you didn't know how to use all the features or weren't sure if it was the right fit for your needs. That's where a Customer Success Manager or CSM comes in. CSMs are kind of like your personal guides in the world of a product or service. They go above and beyond traditional customer service to make sure you actually achieve your desired outcomes. Think of it this way: customer service is reactive. You call when something is broken or you have a question. Customer success, on the other hand, is proactive. CSMs reach out to you, get to know your goals, and help you get the most out of your investment. They're your partners in success, working alongside you every step of the way. In today's competitive market, businesses are realizing that acquiring new customers is only half the battle. Keeping those customers happy and engaged is crucial for long-term growth. That's why the role of a CSM has become, honestly, more important than ever. So, if you're looking for more than just a vendor-customer relationship, a CSM is the answer. They are the advocates, the problem solvers, and the trusted advisors who can help you unlock the full potential of your purchase. Customer success is not just a department, it's really a philosophy. It's a proactive approach that puts the customer at the heart of everything a business does. Instead of waiting for customers to encounter problems, companies that prioritize customer success actively seek to understand their needs and guide them towards achieving their goals. Imagine you're embarking on a journey. You wouldn't set off without a map, a compass, and a knowledgeable guide, right? Similarly, customer success acts as your guide in the world of a product or service. It's about providing customers with the tools, resources, and support they need to navigate their journey smoothly and reach their desired destination. This customer-centric approach fosters strong relationships built on trust and mutual benefit. When customers succeed, so does the business. This win-win situation is the foundation of customer success. By proactively addressing potential roadblocks, providing ongoing education, and making sure customers are fully utilizing the product or service, companies can dramatically increase customer satisfaction, reduce churn, and drive sustainable growth. The Customer Success Manager, or CSM, is really the embodiment of the customer success philosophy. They are the primary point of contact for customers after a sale is made and act as a bridge between the customer and the business. Their role is multifaceted and involves a deep understanding of both the customer's needs and the company's offerings. One of the key responsibilities of a CSM is onboarding new customers. This means guiding them through the initial setup, making sure they understand the product's features, and helping them integrate it seamlessly into their workflow. Once the customer is up and running, the CSM continues to provide ongoing support, answering questions, troubleshooting issues, and offering proactive advice. But a CSM's role goes beyond just reactive support. They're also responsible for understanding the customer's business goals and identifying opportunities for them to achieve those goals using the product or service. This might involve suggesting new features, providing best practices, or connecting them with other resources within the company. In essence, a CSM is a trusted advisor, a problem solver, and a champion for the customer within the company. They are the voice of the customer, making sure their needs are heard and addressed at every level of the organization. So, a typical day for a customer success manager is honestly a dynamic mix of customer interactions, internal collaboration, and, a good dose of data analysis. No 2 days are exactly alike, but let me give you a glimpse into what life as a CSM can look like. In the morning, the day might begin by checking in on customer health scores, which are basically metrics that indicate the overall satisfaction and engagement of customers. After that, they might reach out to customers who have recently implemented a new feature, answer any questions, and just make sure they're utilizing it effectively. Moving into the afternoon, a significant portion of the time could be dedicated to onboarding new customers. This might involve a virtual meeting to walk them through the product, set up their account, and answer any initial questions they might have. Throughout the day, CSMs are constantly collaborating with internal teams like product development, sales, and marketing. They share customer feedback, identify potential upsell opportunities, and work together to improve the overall customer experience. In a nutshell, the CSM role is fast-paced and varied, requiring a unique blend of customer-facing skills and analytical abilities. They're really master jugglers, adeptly managing multiple customer accounts, while also keeping a pulse on the latest industry trends and product updates. To be a great customer success manager, you need a blend of people skills and a data-driven mindset. Communication is key, clear, concise, and empathetic. Empathy helps you understand and support customers. A customer-centric approach is non-negotiable. Comfort with data lets you track trends and make smart decisions. Problem-solving and collaboration are must-haves. And of course, mastering CRM tools is essential. Investing in customer success isn't just about being customer-centric, it's a smart business move with real benefits. When customers succeed, businesses thrive. Happy customers are loyal, stay longer, and spend more. That means higher customer lifetime value and lower acquisition costs. Delighted customers become brand advocates, spreading positive word of mouth. In the end, investing in customer success leads to happier customers and a healthier, more sustainable business. Alright, so pursuing a career as a customer success manager can be incredibly rewarding. Not only do you get to build meaningful relationships and help customers achieve their goals, but you also play a crucial role in driving business growth and innovation. It's a path that offers continuous learning, diverse challenges, and the opportunity to make a real impact every single day. If you're passionate about people, problem solving, and making a difference, customer success might just be the perfect fit for you.